Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So first off, I would like to apologize if you hear any background noise. I'm sorry. That's all I can really say. But today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Influenster VoxBox that I won. So yeah, let's get into that. So I would also like to say that this will be a fairly short video because all I will be doing is telling y'all how I won it, showing y'all the unboxing, and that's it, because I will have a demo of this product. This is the wash and go that I did with it. So y'all will have a demo of this. And then y'all will have a separate review video. You know, why not make the most content out of what I can? So I'm just saying this video is going to be a little short, but you know, just look forward to my next couple videos this week and you'll be getting bangers, as they like to say. I don't know, but yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. So again, I won the Influencer VoxBox. This is how it looked. It got ripped when I opened it. Sorry for the lighting. Can you see? And as you can see, it's the Shea Moisture VoxBox. Now I did win this free from Influenster. Influenster is a website. You fill out surveys and you win whatever you get chosen for. I got chosen for this, but I could have easily won like toothpaste, you know what I mean? So it's like that type of thing, but it's 100% free. They send it to you to review, and they, you know, will prefer your honest review, you know, whether it's a good review or a bad review, you know. But yeah, so this is the hashtag live more prep less Influencer Shea Moisture VoxBox, and this is what it looks like. Hold up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so when you open it, obviously I've opened it, I've done my hair, but I just wanted to give y'all what it looks like, show y'all what it looks like. So you open it and this is what you see. So this is exactly how it came. This is how it came. So it gave you a little card, and it's basically, you know, just the Shea Moisture Influencer card. And then yeah, this is all it says. It tells me how to get started with my campaign and all of that, but pretty much the card says what the bottle says. And before I show y'all what's in the box, this is the whole wash and go line, make it last wash and go line. And I was only gifted the primer. I was only gifted the primer. I'm sorry if the lighting is going in and out now, but I had to like change it so y'all can see the stuff. But yeah, so in here is this. And this, I'm sorry, but this is the coconut custard make it last wash and go curl primer, and it's made with kokum butter and plant peptides. The purpose of it is to detangle and prep your hair, and it's for kinky, curly, coily hair. Now, as you can tell, my hair is just, you know, curly, but you know, clearly it works for everything. And this has no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, it's not animal tested, no petroleum, so on and so forth. It's sulfate free and it's color safe. And yeah, like I said, it came in like a little, it was wrapped up, you know, very simple, obviously. And yeah, it just came in this small box because I only won this. And yeah, and again, I won this complimentary from Influencer, so free. They gave it to me to review. And yeah, I definitely recommend, especially if you do like YouTube videos, Instagram, I definitely recommend you to try out Influencer. You just, again, you fill out a survey, and you'll get like emails of it, so you know when it's time to fill out a survey and possibly participate in one of their campaigns. And like I just said, I could have easily won like mouthwash, toothpaste, because they asked you a variety of questions, but this is the one I was chosen for. I was also chosen for I think it was a Sephora one, I'm really not for sure. Yeah, but it was like a cashback type of thing, and I wasn't trying to spend money. Y'all know I'm broke, I'm in college, so I really did appreciate, you know, getting this. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know about Influencer. So I'm gonna give y'all like a quick update. well, not an update, what's coming next. So the next video y'all will see on my channel is the demo of this product. How did I get this wash and go? How did I apply my product? How did the product work? Did I like it? Did I not like it? So on and so forth. And then the video after that will be the actual review. I just want to be able to make as much content as possible, because you know this is something special. This is the first time I've actually won something, and it was complimentary, obviously. And yeah, I'm excited to get all this content out for y'all. I know y'all don't care, but yeah. So if you came to this video looking for the review, just subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications, and just, you know, be waiting. And I swear that these videos will literally be out like 2 days after each other. 2 days after each other, I swear. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all got some information from it. And yeah, like this video, comment down below, share with a friend. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next 2 videos about this product. Still can't get up. There you go. But that product, and yeah, and we on the road to 200. So just keep on keeping on with your girl, okay? Bye y'all.